Hello children, how are you all? So I hope everyone is fine. Alright. Okay, well and good. We are doing the revision. Am I right? So which revision we are doing? So FA1 revision. So which subject? Yeah, so we are dealing with the science subject. I already said that exams will be from 21, 22, 23. So I already said, so on 22nd our exam will be, science exam will be on 22nd. So everyone be prepared for the exam. So okay, well and good. So we have done the revision. So which lesson we have done? Our food. So our food revision we have done. Okay. Today is the last for the first lesson revision. So I will complete the revision today itself. So that you have to complete it today itself. So who are having the pending of first lesson revision, complete it by today. Okay. So the next day you can do the second lesson revision. Second lesson revision we can do the next. Okay. So that first lesson revision should be completed till here. Okay. Those who got the first lesson, you can move on to the second lesson. Yeah, children. See here. Okay. Open everyone. Yeah. So we have explained. I have explained the question and answers and whatever the process is there. No. So that I have explained you clearly. Am I right? Yeah. So now I am going to explain you the question and answers, the textual questions. Okay, and very short answer questions and the short answer questions I am going to explain you. Okay, and also I am going to explain the fill in the blanks. Okay, so that it will be easy to you people to remember. Okay, so now everyone open your workbook. So everyone open your workbook and also everyone open your workbook and also textbook. Okay, workbook and also the textbook. Yeah. So that, see here, page number 12. Give a few examples of natural preservatives. So natural preservatives. So natural preservatives comes under salt, turmeric powder, jaggery. Okay, jaggery, not oil, sugar syrup, etc. These are all comes under the natural preservatives. Okay, these are all comes under the natural preservatives. Everyone know very well. So natural preservatives means what? Next, name a few methods of preparation of healthy food. So healthy food, if you want to prepare the healthy food means what you have to do? Boiling, steaming, baking. So if you are doing this all, so if you are doing these few methods of preparation, then you can cook a healthy food. So by boiling and by steaming and by baking. What is the cheapest way of food preservation? So cheapest way is sun drying. Sun drying is the cheapest way of food preservation. So sun drying is the cheapest way for food preservation. So sun drying is the cheapest way. Next, we consume a large quantity of rice, a small quantity of vegetables and a little amount of oil, salt, etc. Give reasons. So why do you take this as a little amount? Why? Rice is a rich source of carbohydrates. Rice is a rich source of carbohydrates which provides us energy. So which provides us energy. Hence it is required in large quantities. So rice is a carbohydrate food. So it will provide more energy. So we have to take it in a large quantity. Vegetables gives us vitamins, oil contains fat, salt contains minerals which are required in a lesser quantity. So we use that in a lesser quantity. Hence we take a large quantity of rice and a small quantity of these materials. What are the deciding factors for food habits of a common society reason? So depending upon the climatic conditions and depending upon the regions. So for example, our North Indian people will eat different, and our we eat different food items. So depending upon their geographical conditions. So depending on geographical and climatic conditions, so availability of food items. So they will depend upon their food items by whatever they available. For example, in that place they will have more. So wheat will be produced in that places. So in our places rice will be produced more. So we will consume rice more, and they will consume the chapatis or the wheat more. Okay, depending upon the regions. So regional food. So whatever the region they are available more quantity, then they will take in a more quantity. For example, if you are taking it as a Rayalaseema people, so there the chili will be more. So they will use more chili. Okay. What are the deciding factors for food habits of a community? So already we read. Define the term good food habits. Good food habit means what? A habit of eating all varieties of food items in the required quantity. So all varieties of food items in a required quantity, those are called as a balanced diet. Okay, whatever the required quantity you are taking, that is called as a balanced diet. So balanced diet, a balanced diet should contain carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, vitamins, fiber, okay, fat. Okay, so a balanced diet should contain this all. So if you are taking the rice, means balanced diet. So proteins and minerals, vitamins will come from the vegetables. Okay, fiber contained food means whatever you are taking. Roughages if you are taking means, then it comes under. So roughages means whichever it will contain the fibers. For example, sweet potato, rich gut, fats. Okay, fats means whatever the oil which is present in the while we are cooking, in that only some fat is present, so that is enough to a balanced diet. So if you are taking this all, then we can tell it is a balanced diet. Describe the process of making a pickle. Cut the clean and fresh vegetables into pieces and dry them. So whatever, if you want to cook as a if you want for example you want carrot pickle, so cut into pieces and dry it. Okay, then add the pieces of mixture of oil. So then add oil to the mixture. Chili powder, salt, ginger garlic paste. The pickle is ready to be served. So I will not tell that in every pickle we will use the ginger garlic paste. Okay, so in some pickles only they will use the ginger garlic paste. In every pickle they will not use. So it is your wish. So how does food get taste? What makes food tasty? So adequate quantities of ingredients, methods of preparation, and the cultural habits. So depending upon the ingredients which I have used in a right quantity, then the taste will be, then you will get a good taste. Okay, then you will get a good taste to the cook which I have prepared. Farmers use pesticides to protect their crop. And why? So pests damage the yields of the crop and decreases the quantity and the quality of food. Hence the farmers use the pesticides. So whatever the pests will be there though, so they will damage the yields of the crop. So they will decrease the quantity and the quality. Hence farmers use pesticides to they will use the pesticides to kill the pests and protect the corn. So protect the crop. So they will use the pesticides to protect the crop. Nihal visited a sweet shop and wanted to buy a deeply colored sweet. His mother objected him to buy the sweet. Why? He want to eat the colored. So whatever the food. So for example, if you are taking as a that laddu will be there, no? I'm not getting the name of that laddu. So it will be like a saffron color. It will be more. So your mother is objecting to eat that laddu. Why? Let us live. So deeply colored food contains excess amount of food color. Most of the food color are artificial to made, which harms our health and causes cancers. So his mother objected. So why his mother objected? Because the color, the food color which you are using. So for example, in your houses also, if your mother is cooking any sweet, means if she is adding the food color, okay, tell her to avoid the food color, because it is very dangerous. Okay, it will causes cancer also. So if you want the colors, means for example the beetroot color will be there, it is a natural color. And also the turmeric we can't use it in the sweets. Okay, so that okay, if it is normally also we can eat, no. For example, kesar bath is there, so if you are not adding any color, it will not give any taste. No, it will give the taste. For example, if you are for look also, if you are adding more dry fruits, then the look will be in a good way, the texture will be very good. So that we don't need to add the colors. So try to avoid using the colors. Tell to your parents also to avoid the colors. So it will causes the cancer. What are shown in the picture? In what way they are beneficial? So they have shown the vegetable carving. So vegetable carving, so many members are interested in vegetable carving, and I have given you activity also. Whatever the vegetables are there, with the help of that only do the vegetable carving. Okay, preparation of some models using vegetables. So some people makes different types. So for example, if you are seeing any TV programs, then we can see so many carvings they will do. No, for example, if you are seeing ETV Abhiruchi, means at the last they will do carving with some vegetables. So in the same way, so anyone's interest, so designs different designs. So you can also do that. And the condiments, that also I said already. Sugar syrups, why they will add the sugar syrups as a preservatives. Okay, so why it will keep for a long time. So that you have to write the questions, you have to ask. Can sugar syrup and honey be used for food preservatives? Okay, why you have to use? Okay, that you have to write the question and answers you have to write. Name some practices of food preparations which lead to the loss of nutrients. Okay, while we are doing some activities, then we lose so many nutrients from the vegetables. So what are those? So washing of peeled vegetables and some fruits may remove the water soluble vitamins. So heating of food materials during their cooking may destroy some of the vitamins and also changes the property of some nutrients. So what they are telling, so we'll peel, afterwards we'll wash, so they'll lose their water, the vitamins and minerals and the nutrients which are present, they will be lost. And also after cooking, reheating will be there, no? So that also will cause the loss of nutrients. So here they have given they have listed some pictures, so that you have to tell it in English. I already said, no, cloves and what is this? Cardamom, bay leaf, okay, and also cinnamon, yeah, nutmegs, kismis, okay, pork bites. These are all I said, no, already. So these we have to write. When can you become strong and energetic? We should not develop the habits of liking some curries and dislike other curries. So everyone have this, okay, we like only some curries and we don't like remaining curries. So we should not do like that. So every curry you have to take it in a right amount, then only we will get the nutrients and the minerals in a sufficient way. This is not good food habit. We should make a habit of eating all varieties of vegetable. Okay, then only we will be healthy and energetic. So everyone is clear up to here. Alright, okay, next. So these are all the big part which is there, that already while explanation only I have explained you very clearly, and how you have to write also. So what are the common food items usually eaten by you, that everyone know very well. What do you eat commonly, that you have to write. And process of making upma. I said you the process also. You have to write the ingredients and the process, how the preparation method you have to write. Next, list out the name of some plants that grow in your village. Which part of it are used to your food? So in your village, so your villages are there, no? So now you are staying in your place in Hyderabad, but so your native place will be there, no? So in that place which will be grown more, and that you have to write on which part you will use more, that you have to write. And also Shahina's mother always cook plain rice. If the same rice is used to make khichdi, payasam or biryani, how would you feel? So that also that I said you to write, no? So ingredients which you will use, that I explained. Sugar syrup also, questions I explained you clearly. So next, so bit pat. Which of the following is a condiment? A condiment means it is a pepper, is a condiment. Next, which among the following is used while making pickles? Pickles means which you will use. We will use the salt and the turmeric also we will use. That you have to write. Vitamin C is present in, so we can write easily tell that in liquid amount. So that is tomatoes. Which of the following have anti-allergic, antiviral and antihistamine properties? That you can tell that easily onions. Okay. Which is beneficial proteins, which contains the beneficial proteins is peanuts. Which is not a fragrant, so which is not a fragrant material means almonds is not a fragrant material. These are grown in particular places, are not available in large quantities and it is expensive. So all dry fruits is example expensive, all are expensive. Carotenoid lycopene is present in, so before while explaining amazing facts only I said no, tomatoes. So sweet potatoes are excellent source of carotenoid antioxidants. So sweet potatoes are good for antioxidants. Taste of food depends upon the method of preparation, ingredients, cultural practices. So all the above. The process involved in making idli. So making idli means boiling. Banana contains potassium. Which of the following is observed while purchasing packed food? So what you have to do? So maximum you have to observe ingredients, what they have used, and also the manufacturing date and the expiry date. We get food from both plants and the animals. Okay, we'll get the food from both, no? So preservatives are used to preserve the food for long time and some time, and also to enrich the food taste. So these are all the above you have to write. Next, which of the following is not a dairy product? Butter, cheese, honey, yogurt. So butter is a milk product only, dairy product. So honey is not a dairy product. So honey. So the habit of eating all varieties of vegetables, food items, making us so both A and B, so strong and energetic. We see fish being, so for preservation, smoked. Fish will be smoked. Okay, we eat dash. So cauliflower means the flower you eat. And cooked on steam. Steam means idli. Okay, cooking oil means groundnut. Okay, honey is from honeybee. Dough will be prepared from wheat. Mutton is from sheep. Eggs will be from hen. So next, roosters will be meat. Tomatoes means it is a fruit. Coriander, leaf. So beetroot is high carbohydrate food and peanut is a protein food. So children, so up to here our lesson number 1. So whatever the lesson number 1 is there, that revision has been completed. I have explained you clearly each and every bit and each and every process of activity and also the question and answers. So I hope everyone understood, and the maximum try to read whichever the down amazing facts are there, no? So everyone, so don't skip it. So everyone read that also. So from that also you will get the questions. So in your exams, I already said no, chicory means water, And carotenoid lycopene means what, and also carotenoid antioxidants is present in dash. So those are all. So from where do you learn this all? So if you are reading the damaging facts only, then only we will get this all. So potassium is present in dash. So if they are giving potassium is present in more in, if they are giving as an example of potato, banana, and also rich cat, what you will write? So you will write they'll write banana. So by reading, if you are reading that only, then only we will get. So so children, don't try to skip that amazing facts, read that also. Yeah, so our lesson explain is our lesson first lesson revision is completed. In the next session we will discuss second lesson revision. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.